So, hi dear Gemini, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general love reading for all the Gemini, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Okay, so keep in mind this is general. This might not resonate with you, and if it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. Okay, please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. Okay, for personal reading, healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see, Gemini. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see, your person or your partner's current feelings for you. Tower, okay, something is collapsing here. Something is having a rude, somebody is having a rude awakening here, or something between you and a particular person is collapsing, falling apart, and they are feeling like they're shocked. Okay, this is shocking and surprising. Let's clarify the tower as their feelings for you, Gemini. So I have the Queen of Wands, the Seven of Wands, and the Knight of Swords. Okay, somebody who was feeling very attracted to you, they were feeling like this situation can go somewhere, something can happen between you and them. Now they are feeling like they should protect themselves at any cost from getting hurt again, from getting used or abused again in the situation, and they feel like running away from the situation as far as possible. So somebody's dream is collapsing here, somebody's attraction or infatuation, or they are like somebody is feeling like they were manifesting something good here, and now everything is falling apart, and now they are feeling like, okay, they got shocked and surprised because of whatever happened, and now they are feeling like they should just try to keep themselves at a safe distance from the situation, and they should start running away to the hills and never coming back. What the hell is happening, Gemini? What the hell you did here, huh? You did something. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Gemini? Okay, let's see. So somebody's world is collapsing, their infatuation, their attraction, or somebody's coming back to their senses because they were living in some kind of dream land or la la land in the situation, and now they're like, nope, this is not the truth. Five of Cups, you're disappointed. You're very disappointed over the fact that things are not working out in a situation the way you wanted, or you're feeling like crying over spilled milk. There is certain kind of regret, maybe, and or guilt, maybe, over the situation. But something here is making you feel very disappointed. Okay, in this dynamics, let's clarify the Five of Cups as your feelings for this particular person or situation. I have the Emperor, the Three of Pentacles, and the King of Pentacles. You feel like, okay, even if you are feeling like sad from inside, depressed from inside, you feel like there is something about this collaboration or partnership, this coming together, coming back together, that is making you feel like things are going to be fine eventually, sooner or later. You feel like taking the charge of the situation in your own hands and making things work out between you and this particular person. Even if things are falling apart, you feel like at some point of time, you guys will be able to manage it, and you guys will be able to bring it together no matter what is happening right now. Okay, okay, so you're trying your best to not to show it to anybody that you're upset from inside, and you feel like this collaboration partnership is important to you, and you feel like at some point of time you guys will be able to manage it, and you feel like taking things in a practical and grounded way, mature way. Okay, cool. You're upset, but you're upset, and they are like, okay, their dream is falling apart regarding this situation. Somebody's in shock and surprise about what they got, what happened. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Gemini? Strength card. This is like somebody wants to hold back their urge or desire to connect or reconnect. They want to hold back. They just want to keep themselves at a distance from the situation. Are you dealing with a Taurus or what? Taurus almost got the similar reading. Not mandatory, but possible. Let's clarify the strength. Can be of any sign, by the way, but maybe you're dealing with the Taurus because they have almost a similar kind of reading today. Let's see. We have the lovers and the nine of swords and the three of cups. Okay, so whosoever you are dealing with, I don't know if you are dealing with third party or third parties or not. This person is stressed out because of you being not able to choose them, or you being not able to make them your priority, and that is why they are like, okay, they are holding back because you are dealing with other people, other options too. Either you are keeping your options deliberately open, and or you definitely have somebody else also in your life that you're dealing with, and that is creating a lot of stressful energies around the situation. That is why this person wants to hold back, and or the vice versa is also applicable. That might be they are having their options open, or they are dealing with other people too, and even if they feel a lot of push, like a lot of pull towards you, lot of energy of coming towards you, they are holding back because they don't want any kind of mess or stress in their life anymore. Okay, so somebody is choosing peace over stress here in this dynamics. And whether the third party or third parties are here or not, they do feel like there are certain energies that stopping them from coming forward, moving forward with you. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Gemini? We have the knight of cups. From your side, you want to move forward, you want to go forward towards this person with some kind of message, communication, apology. Maybe you want to genuinely tell them your feelings, genuinely tell them uh, what you are going through and what you are looking forward to have with them. So you want to have some kind of peaceful solution to the problem in a very genuine, heartfelt kind of a way. Okay, let's clarify the knight of cups as your intentions here in the situation, Gemini. We have the high priestess, the seven of pentacles, person a lot. I don't know if you guys had a very strong history together or not, but when you met this person, you felt like you know this person from a very, very long time, maybe a past life, right? So you want to keep your energies down. Your intuition is telling you to go forward and connect with this person, having this reconciliation with this person, but not right now. You just want to wait and watch for them to do something about it, and if they are not going to do something about it, then you are planning to reach out to them, maybe for a reconciliation, coming together, coming back together. You feel a very strong soul connection with this person. This person is important for you, right? But they have their own reasons to not to connect or reconnect with you right now. Okay, so you want to go and heal the situation between you and them, not immediately but eventually at some point of time. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the 21st of June, Gemini. King of Wands. Okay, somebody is doing something about the situation. Somebody is very infatuated and attracted to the idea of doing something about the situation, but ego or pride is there. Let's clarify the King of Wands here as a potential outcome. So I have the Six of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups, and the Fool card. Okay, there is going to be a brand new beginning in your love and relationship area. There is going to be, okay. I do see some kind of imbalance here, lack of equal give and take of energy, but somebody is opening up here. I do sense this is a total new person or new energy that you might be interested in, or that might be interested in you. I don't think so. This is the same person that you are waiting for and hoping for some kind of reconciliation. I do see a new person, new energy entering in your space. And it's going to be quite exciting. It's going to be like, yes, let's do it. It's fun. It's entertaining. It's this and that, and let's do it. Let's have fun. Let's start from the start. Somebody is opening up to you. A new person, new energy is opening up to you, and or you are opening up to a new person, new energy, and it's going to be quite exciting kind of a thing. It can be like you feeling on the top of the world, they feeling on the top of the world, but there is some kind of imbalance in the situation that might make the situation a little bit difficult to deal with. But otherwise, enjoy the ride, because I do see this new person, new energy is going to make you feel very good, very excited, very much top of the world, at the top of the world, on cloud nine. and things are going to be quite exciting between you guys. Okay, enjoy this. I don't think so this is the same person that we were talking about till this point, but it can be. If you are going to reach out and they are going to reconnect, it can be. But for most of you, it's a new person, new energy, a new kind of exciting opportunity for you guys to start a new connection, a new bond, a new relationship with somebody. Awesome, Gemini, very good. Let's see your guidance for this week. So, we have the Two of Pentacles, the Magician, and the Nine of Cups. So, if you are in unstable mind and you are trying to manifest happiness in your life, if you don't have the clear cut understanding and clear cut energy of knowing what you really, really, really want when it comes to your manifestation and why you want it, guess what you are going to manifest? More confusion, more on and off, more in and out. You guys have to decide exactly what you want to manifest and why you want to manifest in your life. What is the reason? So, I want to manifest happiness. Okay, what kind of happiness? In what department of my life? And why? And like, what is the reason? Why am I feeling unhappy right now? There are so many factors, so many things that are connected to manifestation that it's not even funny. People just start manifesting things like crazy before understanding the concept, before understanding what should be done properly in order to achieve the kind of happiness that you guys are looking forward to have. Manifestation, right? The fruition of manifestation is going to take a lot of clarity, lot of inspiration, and lot of understanding. Then only manifestations can work. Okay, otherwise keep on manifesting with the on and off, in and out, full of confusion kind of energy, and keep on making a fool of you. Nothing good is going to come out of that. I don't think so. That's going to be a shit show. So, okay, so in order to manifest happiness, you have to have a stable mind, stable energies, balanced emotional and practical side. Then only the manifestation or wish fulfillment of yours is going to come to fruition. Simple as that. That is the moral of the story. Okay, let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it, just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. Keep in mind, if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So, let's start. So, the answer to your question is you are going in the right direction. Just enjoy, Gemini. You are doing the right things. You're in the right direction. So, at this moment in time, the path you are. This card can also indicate that you're asking the right questions and that the direction of your inquiry is correct. Cool. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.